50 Suze Orman quotes on money, debt, and financial freedom. Financial freedom is our birthright, rather than the slave walk of the Monday through Friday grind. The key to making money is to stay invested. If a child, a spouse, a life partner, or a parent depends on you and your income, you need life insurance. Success is not how many zeros your bank account has. It's about making the most of the life you have. People first, then money, then things. A pile of bills and statements, whether paid or not, is a sign that someone is clueless about what's coming in and going out. A bad debt is sacrificing your future day needs for your present day desires. People often panic when the markets go down and sell off their stocks, but then they aren't in the game when the markets are doing well. You will never be powerful in life until you are powerful over your own money. Look everywhere you can to cut a little bit from your expenses. It will all add up to a meaningful sum. By taking care of yourself financially, you will truly be able to take care of those you love. No one's ever achieved financial fitness with a January resolution that's abandoned by February. The world does not need another credit card. When you start really respecting yourself, those you love, and your money, the result is that you start having control over your money. What follows from that is control over your life. We tend to focus on assets and forget about debts. Financial security requires facing up to the big picture, assets minus debts. Every financial worry you want to banish and financial dream you want to achieve comes from taking tiny steps today that put you on a path toward your goals. If you're financially responsible, your children have a much better chance to grow up financially responsible. Men and women both have an equal capacity to make money, but they want money for different reasons. Men want money for power, and women want it for comfort. Money is a living entity, and it responds to energy exactly the same way you do. It is drawn to those who welcome it and those who respect it. To enjoy a long, comfortable retirement, save more today. Owning a home is a keystone of wealth, both financial affluence and emotional security. Each cent you apply toward diminishing your debt replenishes you. You can have all the money in the world. You can be a multi-billionaire. But if you do not have your health, it means nothing. Your health is the number one important thing in your life. It's better to do nothing with your money than something you don't understand. Although money alone won't make us happy, the lack of money surely will make us miserable. There's nothing wrong with saying, I want to have more. I want to be more. I did this for money. Choosing wealth as a goal requires facing everything about your money bravely, honestly, with courage, which is a very, very hard thing for most of us to do. The less money you owe, the less income you'll need, and the less you'll have to save for tomorrow. They got married, they got divorced, and half their money goes out the window. A cash advance on a credit card is one of the worst types of borrowing because the interest rate is typically 21% or more. Find $50 a month for savings. No excuses. Never invest emergency savings in the stock market. How we behave toward our money, how we treat our money speaks volumes about how we perceive and value ourselves. If we aren't powerful with money, we aren't powerful, period. When you are starting out in your 20s, it is natural to think about all that you will have and do once you start making money, and making more money. That gives money way too much power over your life. It's not about how much you make, but the life that you make with the money you have. When it comes to money, if you have it, you may feel that you don't deserve it. Guilt. If you don't have it, you may feel that you should have it. Guilt. Lasting net worth comes only when you have a healthy and strong sense of self-worth. If you make time each month to give your money some attention, you'll start the next year in fabulous financial shape. Money doesn't bring courage, I learned. It's the other way around. Once I took that lesson to heart, I began to rebuild my life. We have to develop a healthy, honest relationship with our money. And we have to see this relationship as a reflection of our relationship with ourselves. Women fake orgasms, and men fake finances. Inspirational Suze Orman quotes on success. It's impossible to map out a route to your destination if you don't know where you're starting from. Recast your current problems into proactive goals. If you hold on to your goals and dreams, you will get there. When you are grateful, when you can see what you have, you unlock blessings to flow in your life. Don't let what others think or say get in your way. Their actions reflect on them, not you. Time and love are the most valuable possessions you can share.